I'm going to show you how to transform any app into a dark mode version of the same app. So basically what you need to do is to change the colors of your app to darker colors, and for some blocks you need to just transform them to a transparent background. It will be enough to receive colors from other backgrounds, like in this case for this app. So let's start. For this one I will start with this block, which has a blue background. I will just change to transparent, and for now of course it will be white because my background is white. And if I come here and customize my background maybe for this color and save, you'll see that they will assume a darker color as well because they have a transparent background. Another thing that I can do is here on my Kanban, I can change the card color to maybe black. And another thing that I could do here is navigation. So here I have this top bar. Let's do like this color, and maybe almost as dark, just to have a differentiation of shades. And save. So now here I have this bar to change as well. Let's change to black. Save. So here what I did, basically I have the same color here. We can make this one maybe this one darker and this one a little bit lighter. So this like this maybe. And one thing that we can also change, it's when we open here, as you can see, it's white because that was the color that this superform was using. We could come here and edit this. The superform is here to add a black background as well. So the title background will be black, and the background will be almost black. So now I also have a dark mode for this record. It's too light in my opinion, so I will change the color here to even darker colors. Let's go. Let's change the background for something darker. Oh, it's better. So now if I click here, I can see my card. And this, it's kind of too dark, I think, for the cards. I'll just change it a little bit. This is conditional coloring, that's why it's not changing the color. Here it has a condition for urgent tasks, I believe that it will paint as red. So the color for the card, we could do something like something that looks like more transparent. Let's see. Here I think should be darker as well. Let's change it. This one is this color, so let's do a bit darker. too dark. Seems almost looks like the same color. This one here. Yeah, now it's better. So now I have a darker form, darker Kanban. I have my matrix here as well, all in black. And then I can just change these colors. Maybe I want to have like darker colors, like maybe dark blue or something like this. But this is basically a dark mode version of the app that we have started when we were customizing it. You can do this for any app. So if you want, you could do even a version of a light app that you have only for you, because you can, as you guys know, you can clone this app. So if I click here, I will duplicate this app, and then I can add just my app for the colors that I want. So if you guys want a darker mode, it's pretty simple. Less than 5 minutes you can do this, and especially if you work at night, maybe it would be better for you.